Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the folding knife again. We're going to be doing the handle scales and there's a whole bunch of other stuff. So thank you guys for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy, and let's just get right to the work. I don't know, guys. It might actually work. Let's see. So if I press this down, I should be able to fold over. So it disappears down into there. And then if I want it to fold up, let's see. This thing goes up here. And there'd be a spring in here. This pushes that down. Theoretically, locks it into place. This goes up, this folds around, there'll be a spring going right here to keep this thing with pressure like that, so when you go like this, it'll snap down like that, locking that blade in place. Now what's next is to make the butt end of this with the spring in it to bend it upwards into there, so that it keeps pressure up. I've got this guy cut out. This needs to go back here. It's going to hold the spring. I just need to figure out what to do with it. So I guess I'll just check back with you when I figured it out and already done it pretty much. Okay, I've done a lot since I last recorded because it's just easier to get work done when you're not recording. I made this piece. I got this guy, which is the spring that we're using, and I drilled the holes in the other faceplate. Now, how this works is hopefully the spring won't go flying out. You press this down right here, it folds over. I'll make a groove right there so it locks. Then you can press it again. It'll swing back out, and that spring makes it so it locks into place again. So, if I put this on, which might prove to be more of a challenge than I'd be thinking, okay, I know. Sorry, okay? It's the next day, and it looks a bit different. It definitely is a bit different. I redid the scales, new pins, new back piece, accidentally broke the spring a little bit, but it still works. Yeah, it's definitely different. So, scales made out of this. Back piece made out of the same exact thing as the other one. Pins are the same thing. Drilled them, all keeping in guide with this. So these three are exactly the same holes as that. Yeah. I think I'm gonna shape it now. I wanted to shape it. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully it'll turn out good. And by the way, I'm wearing these gloves because my hands are all oily because of the drilling. And I don't want to get my camera all oily. A piece of paper started on fire. Back to work.